I have here is a sanding kit. Let's open this up. You get, you know, soft pads. You get the hard one with the screw, which we need. And we get a whole bunch of different sizes. I'm going to open up the kit. I'm going to place it onto the device. You can see it screws on very simple. 1, 2, 3. Don't need any tools. Now if it's screwing on this way, I want to make sure my drill goes this way. The correct way. Take everything off. And what we're going to do here, I got a project that I just cut wood and the wood broke and I need to sand down now. So I have here is 80 grit and I'm only going to demonstrate on 80 grit. They give you not just one, not just two, they give you multiples of grit. So please check online for further detail exactly what you get. You simply just take it, slide it on the best you can. It will lock into place and turn. And I need to get all this sharp edges off. Beautiful, working nice job. If I take my time, I could get this nice and flush and smooth, what I want. That's beautiful. Perfect for my needs. I don't have to be perfect. I have 80, 150, 400, 1,000, 1,500, 2,500, 5,000. The bag is a nice little addition that you can put it away on your shelf for the next time you need to use. I hope this product is something you're looking for that's right for your needs.